So Elon Musk has just come out on Twitter talking about cryptocurrencies, and I need to share with you and show you exactly what this tweet is. And not only that, there are some huge things happening this week for cryptocurrencies that could have a huge effect on the price action of cryptos as well. And we are going to, in this video, be taking a look at Elon Musk's tweet. We're going to be taking a look at what is ahead this current week and some technical analysis so we can have a very clear idea of where the crypto market is headed, the possible scenarios of what crypto could be doing, and much more. Now, we're going to go ahead and dive straight into the content, but guys, I need you to go ahead and smash up the like button because YouTube does not like to share these crypto videos. Go ahead and smash up the like button. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos that you can absolutely not miss. Now, I certainly hope you have had a great weekend. Let me know in the comments below if you had a great weekend and how you currently feel about the crypto market. Now, I just wanted to show you something really cool. This is a condo that I bought with crypto profits from trading. And look at this view. Absolutely incredible. That is Miami there, that's South Beach over there, and you see boats and everything, and you have a beautiful view below where you see the pool, there's restaurants, all type of stuff is happening here. But now I'm showing you to show this to let you know that crypto investing is one of the greatest opportunities financially that we will experience in our lifetime. And yes, there's been a lot of volatility that comes left and right, but through time and patience, cryptos will continue to recover. They always recover, and they always make crazy highs and gains that the market and the world has never expected. So through time and patience, learning, mistakes, successes, cryptocurrencies is certainly the future. Let me know if you agree with that below. This is also one of Yoshi's favorite spots. He comes out here to hang out all the time. He loves the water out there. He likes to be able to look at all the boats and all the dogs below. Well, let's go ahead and dive straight into this video. So what we are seeing is this crazy tweet by Elon Musk, very positive, very good, and I want to share it with you right now. So over on Twitter, Elon Musk says, as a general principle for those looking for advice from this thread, it is generally better to own physical things like a home or stock in companies you think make good products than dollars when inflation is high. I still own and won't sell my Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Doge. FWIW. So here is the thing, something you need to look at, very important in this tweet. He says that it is better to own certain things that actually hold their value versus the dollar. Now, the reason why he is saying this is not only in the United States, which inflation is very, very high, but what we also have is around the world in certain countries, their dollars are failing at a very rapid pace. And that is certainly scary. Scary for the people in those countries holding those dollars, because let's say they have $1 million. That $1 million is now cut in half, and they cut in half almost every month. And however much time it is, it's very, very scary. So that's what's happening. And that's why cryptocurrencies are here. That's why Bitcoin and cryptos were created, to overcome inflation, to overcome the system. Being dependent upon any government is a terrible thing to do. So by investing and holding into cryptocurrencies, we are able to overcome inflation, because literally, I believe it is 80% of the US money supply, the US dollar, the supply that's actually out there that's printed has been printed literally in the last several months. That is absolutely appalling. That is scary. So the value of your dollar is going down at a very rapid pace, and a greater pace than actually the news wants you to know about. But let's get into this video. So here we have it. There are some interesting things going to be happening this week. And one thing I certainly want to show you is that everyone is talking about inflation, and the Fed, which is basically the government, the treasury, and so forth, the people that are able to help the economy, to control the economy, taxes, inflation, things like that, combat them. They are certainly doing whatever they can to overcome inflation. And what that actually means is that they have to raise interest rates to combat inflation. So they could potentially be raising interest rates at any second, and this certainly will have a play on the market. But maybe it will actually be very bullish, because it only confirms the sentiment that inflation is getting high. Once it's getting to that point, cryptocurrencies are probably going to continue to go up and continue to have crazy spikes because of inflation. Inflation is going to cause the whole world to adopt cryptocurrencies on another level we've never seen before. So we have some crazy, interesting things happening this week, but something I really want to share with you. So the balance of Bitcoin on the exchanges is making new lows. Look at that, guys. The lows, the balance of Bitcoin on the exchange reserves is going lower and lower. So that means people are buying and holding Bitcoin They're putting it away in cold storage because they believe in it long term. When that happens, ladies and gentlemen, that is a very, very bullish thing, because what that actually means is that there is less cryptos, there is less Bitcoin to be held, to be able to be bought, which makes it more rare, and it makes there more demand with less supply, which pushes up the price of cryptocurrencies like crazy. So that is just a couple of things I want you to be aware of. But let's take a look at the chart. So what we are seeing is that Bitcoin has been seeing some green today, and yesterday we saw a very interesting drop happen very, very quickly. And what we have seen is a recovery from that drop yesterday, and now we are certainly trading within these ranges. I'm watching very carefully. We do trades in the Patreon where we're buying and selling cryptocurrencies and making crazy profits even when the market is volatile, because small little 1% moves for people that have a lot of money is actually a lot of money. And even if you don't have a lot of money, small 1 to 2 to 3% profits over time add up like crazy. So if you're taking 2 or 3% profits and you do a whole bunch of those trades, that can add up to hundreds of percents of profits that you secure yourself by trading and investing. Now, here is the thing. What is the actual overall image? What is the picture of Bitcoin right now? Well, what we are seeing, ladies and gentlemen, is that we are still trading inside of this symmetrical triangle, like I have been pointing out for quite some time. We're trading inside of this symmetrical triangle. We're still continuing to respect these levels of resistance and support, especially the support levels, which continue to get higher and higher. But we are now etching and getting very close into this apex, which means very soon there is going to be a breakout. But we are staying very low. The price is very weak, and we're just continuing to almost consolidate in an upwards manner, which is also a certain weak sign. So it's very interesting to see that. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on the market, and I would not be surprised if we actually ended up getting a drop, because we are not bouncing very big off of these levels like we were last week and the weeks before. So that shows that the market is weak. But of course, that is due to a lot of FUD and things that are happening around the world. So what I personally think and am expecting for is any type of move, but especially I am looking out for the drop. That's why we put tight stop losses, so that we can catch ourselves before the drop, buy these crazy dips. That's where so much money is made, especially in the Patreon, when I tell you all exactly when to do that and how, where you can even follow all of my exact trades as a crypto day trader. But most importantly, what I am certainly expecting is that we are waiting. There's several days left, but for us to approach this apex within about a week or so, we are going to be getting really close to that if we have not already broken down, or if we have not already broken up instead. But here is the thing. We're waiting for the move. The market is trading sideways. It's still going up just a little bit, but it's still weak. The volume is low. We are waiting for the next decisive move in the market to show us the clear direction. So right now we are basically, in a certain sense, trading sideways. We are trading sideways, and we are waiting for this next move. This next move is getting very, very close, where it is going to certainly determine where the market is headed. And after we have determination and understanding of where the market is headed, then we're going to have a very clear idea of the trend for quite some time. And it should certainly be bullish. We might have a breakdown. We might have a little bit of a dip here outside of this pattern, but I believe that certainly in time, very, very soon, that we are going to continue this bull run for cryptocurrencies, for Bitcoin, for Ethereum, for altcoins, and we are going to continue to make higher highs in this market, which will happen this year, in my opinion. Not financial advice, just my own opinion. Now, if you got something out of this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate your support. I appreciate the likes. I appreciate the comments. And if you want to get access to learn how to trade cryptocurrencies like me with technical analysis, go ahead and sign up for my course right now below. It is 66% off for a very short period of time. Go ahead, check it out. Check out all the socials in my links below. And also in my video description, if you want to be able to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, open up an iTrust Capital account with my link below. If you deposit money in that account, you fund the account, they will give you $100 in free Bitcoin. Now, I will see you all later. You have a great day. Stay tuned, because there's going to be some really big moves here very, very soon.